Okay, so welcome back everybody, and we are back again. Now please spend only 3 minutes of your time. Make sure you watch to the end. We are helping again in India this time. We are seeing these amazing beautiful kids right here. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that.
Studying the teaching the who is taking care of.
That's what makes us different. Make sure you understand that more you give is more you receive is everything in life. All right, just spend some minutes. Please like, subscribe, and share the video because more people need to watch this one. We even make improvised classroom for the kids. It's not a lot, but it's better than to sit on the floor outside. All right, see you next one.
So we are here at the milk parlor buying milk and eggs for the kids. Now we are at the fruit market buying fruits for all these kids. So we have purchased most of the items and now heading back to the place to meet the kids. We'll see you soon. See you there. We have reached finally here. This is the portion is newly meant for the teaching kids with the help of Phil, who is she is the teacher who is taking care of studying the teaching the kids, and this is the stuff we will be distributing. Thank you, Phil, for all your loving support. Now we are distributing the animal face masks to the kids. Now it's time to distribute milk to each kids. Finally, it was a very playful day with all these kids. Now it's time to leave. It was an interesting day. Thank you, Phil, once again. And we'll see you next time. Bye.